Oh, quarantine, no quarantine. From dusk till dawn, we are all screwed. Of course we're screwed. Subscribe if you want to see what's inside this box. Like and subscribe if you want to see what's inside this big box. Do not let your children go and watch unless you want this to happen to an antique. Yep. Sometimes you need a little day off. I am Stupid Guy, and this is my weapon. It's an airsoft gun that is very... Ow! Shoot! Is that a nail? What the crap? What? Okay. Who touched my gun? Fudge. Team Fortress 2 really needs a rifleman. They really need to add a rifleman. But Team Fortress 2 is a very good game. You should get it. It's on computer. It costs like a little bit of cash, I think. Possibly for free. Yeah, it's awesome. I haven't played it, but it's very fun. I hear it's very fun. I'm technically screwed. Why am I talking to myself? Why am I saying it's fun when I haven't tried it? But maybe it is fun. Maybe. I am a guy that never breaks a bike. But hey, Team Fortress 2, can you add a rifleman? Because seriously, they need a rifleman that can, like, shoot a rifle. You may say, they already have a rifleman. That's a sniper rifleman. Sniper is a sniper rifleman. They need, like, an assault or not an assault rifleman that has a rifle. And for backup, he has a Colt 45 revolver. Well, they already have a cowboy, but I want to show you what a cowboy has. Welcome to the big book of cowboys. Whoop-de-doo! That. And that says Colt 45 revolver. They had a throwing rope, a 10-gallon hat, and a Winchester rifle. So they needed someone with a Winchester rifle and a Colt 45 revolver. Okie dokie. Be sure to be safe out there. Hopefully you have a great day. Have a great life. Not to be sarcastic or rude. So, I've been looking at this for hours. It's so satisfying.